Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Junry Malinge, or just for me, Teacher Junry, a licensed professional teacher major in mathematics. Ako po ay gumagawa ng mga Tagalog math tutorial mula grade 7 hanggang grade 11. Ito po ay tulong at dedikasyon para sa mga magulang, sa mga magtuturo, at lalo-lalo na sa ating mga kabataan. Ayan, kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, don't forget to like and share and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa aking mga bagong video na ipapalabas. Stay tuned! Magandang araw, muli ako po si Teacher GM at ngayon tatalakayin po natin nagmula sa grade 6, grade 7 tungkol po ito sa multiplying of fractions. But bago ang lahat, ibigay ko muna ang mga following steps na dapat natin sundan sa pamamagitan ng pag-solve ng multiplying fractions. So ito na ang mga following steps. Una, meron po tayong multiply the numerators. So ibig sabihin, i-multiply natin ang ating numerators. So for example, this one, 2/3. So, nasaan ang ating numerators? So, ibig sabihin, itong ating numerator. Ayan. Alright, so how about ang ating denominator? Okay. So, ito ang ating denominator. Nakuha. Okay, ang ating second step. Ang ating second step is multiply the denominator. So, ibig sabihin, i-multiply natin ang ating denominator. Next, ang ating third step. Express your final answer in the lowest term. So, every time na mag-solve tayo ng mga fractions or kahit hindi multiplying fractions, addition of fractions, ayan. As you can see that ang ating previous topic last meeting is about addition and subtraction of fractions. So, same pa rin ang ating gagawin. So, ating i-simplest form or ang ating i-reduce to the lowest term. Alright, so nakuha. Okay, for example, magbigay ako ng halimbawa. So, meron tayong 1/2 times 3/5. So, ibig sabihin, i-multiply ano ang ating steps? Una, i-multiply natin ang ating numerator. So, which is 1 times 3. Next, we have second step, i-multiply natin ang denominator. So, we have 2 times 5. Okay. Yan. So, next. So, i-multiply na natin. So, 1 times 3, that is 3. Next, 2 times 5, that is 10. Okay. Next, how about the step 3? Ang ating step 3 is i-express your final answer in the lowest term. So, ibig sabihin na ating i-apply or i-express natin into lowest term or kung maaaring i-reduce ang ating answer, kailangan nating i-reduce or i-convert natin into lowest term. So now, ang ating sagot ay 3/10. Can we reduce to the lowest term? So meaning, iyan na po ang ating lowest term. So ito po ang ating final answer. 3/10. Nakuha. Okay, another example. Number 2. 6 times 1/2. As you can see that meron tayong whole number. So, ibig sabihin, once na mayroon tayong whole number na makikita, yan ay mayroon siyang invisible na denominator 1. Always siyang invisible na denominator 1. Every time na makakita kayo ng whole number, ibig sabihin meron yan siyang invisible palagi ng over 1. Gets? Okay, now, so i-apply natin ang ating step. Step 1. Multiply the numerator. So, 6 times 1, that is? Okay, 6 times 1. Yan. Yan, 6 times 1. Okay, next, ang ating numerator is denominator. How about denominator? So, 1 times. Okay, 1 times 2. Nakuha. Next is, i-multiply natin. So, 6 times 1, that is what? 6. How about our denominator? 1 times 2, that is 2. Alright, now, step 3. Are you going to express your final answer in lowest terms? So, can we reduce the lowest term? Yes, we're going to convert into the lowest term. So, paano natin ito i-convert sa lowest term? I-divide natin. So, 6 divided by 2. So, we have 6 divided 2, that is 3. 3 times 2, that is 6. Okay. 0. So, now, what is our simplest form? So, our answer is 3. So we have equal 3. So this is our answer. Nakuha. Okay, example number 3. In number 3, 9 times 3/4. So, ibig sabihin, meron siyang divisible 1. Okay, now, so i-apply natin ang ating step. So, 9 times 3. And our denominator is 1 times 4. Okay, next. Multiply na natin. Okay, we have 9 times 3, that is 27. Ayan. Over 1 times 4, that is 4. Ayan. Can we reduce to the lowest term? Yes, maaari. So, i-convert natin into lowest term. So, paano natin i-convert? I-divide natin. So, gawin natin itong proper or instead ang ating answer ay improper fraction. So, gawin natin itong proper fraction or mixed fraction. So, now, paano natin ito gawin? So, i-divide natin. So, 27 divide 4. Ayan. So, 27 divide 4, that is 6. 6 times 4, that is 24. Alright, 24 rather. Then, subtract 7 minus 4, that is 3. So, now, ang ating sagot ay what? So, 6 and 3 over 4. Nakuha. So, this is our simplest form. Gets? Okay. Example number 4. So in number 4, 2 and 1/2 times 3 and 1/2. So now, as you can see that ang ating given problem is mixed fraction. So paano natin ito i-solve? So ano ang dapat natin gawin? So i-change natin into improper fractions. So paano? I-multiply natin i-multiply natin yung denominator sa ating whole number, tas i-add natin yung product natin sa numerator. Alright, so for example, 2 times 2, we have 4. 4 plus 1, that is, ayan, 2 times 2 plus 1 sa ating, okay, para mas maintindihan nyo, ayan, isa-isahin natin. So 2 times 2, we have equals 4. Then, ang ating sagot, i-add natin dito sa itaas. So 4 plus 1, that is 5. So, ibig sabihin, 5 over, what is our denominator? Copy natin denominator ang 2. Next, same pa rin ng process. So, 2 times 3, ayan, 2 times 3, 2 times 3, that is 6. So, 6 plus 1, 6 plus 1, we have 7. Okay, so we have, meron tayong 7 over 2. So, next, what will you do? Multiply na natin. So, 5 times 7, that is 35 over 2 times 2, we have 4. Next, can we reduce to the lowest term? Yes, since ang ating sagot ay improper fractions, so gawin natin itong mixed fraction. Okay, so we have, i-divide natin, 35 divide 4. Ayan, so magiging 8. 8 times 4, that is 32. Ayan, 5 minus 2, that is 3. So now, ang ating sagot ay 8 and 3 over 4. Ayan, nakuha. So yan po ang ating final answer. Aside from these steps, in multiplying fraction, meron pa tayong ibang ways kung paano natin isi-solve ang multiplying fraction. Okay, for example, we have 3/4 times 8 over 12. So now, aside from multiplying by numerator and denominator, meron tayong ibang proseso or ibang steps na dapat nating gagamitin tulad ng cancellation process. So now, paano natin ito gagamitin ang cancellation? For example, so this is our numerator or ang ating first fraction. So hanapin natin yung common between the two, denominator and numerator. Okay, meron ba silang common between sa kanilang dalawa? So, wala. So, how about sa pangalawang fraction? Meron ba silang common or wala? So, ibig sabihin, meron silang common. So, we have, anong common nila? By 4. So, divide natin by 4. So, 8 divide 4, that is, ang naiwan ay 4. 8 divide 4, that is, ang naiwan ay 2. So, 12 divide 4, ang naiwan ay 3. Okay, next. After sa ating first fraction at second fraction cancellation process, second step, i-apply natin yung cancellation by cross cancellation. For example, by 4 and 2. Kasi 2 na ang naiwan dito kasi meron siyang common na by 4th sa 12. O now, anong common sa 4 at saka 2? So we have by 2's. So 2 divide 2, ito ay 1. 4 divide 2, ito ay magiging 2. So next, how about this one? 3 and 3. May common sila? Wala. By 3. So divide by 3. So 3 divide 3, that is 1. How about this one? 3 divide 3, that is 1. Now, i-multiply na natin. So 1 times 1, we have 1 over 2 times 1, that is 2. So ang ating final answer is 1/2. So, ngayon, i-apply natin yung first process natin or first step natin sa pag-solve ng ating multiplying fraction. Okay. So we have, for example, 3/4 times 8 over 12. Okay, so i-multiply natin yung, ano yung una? I-multiply natin yung numerator. So 3 times 8, that is 24 over 4 times 12, that is what? That is 48. Diba? Ang laki ng pag-multiply natin, mas mahirapan tayo nito. Alright, so now, is it the final answer? So, hindi pa. So, ating i-express ang ating final answers into lowest term. So, now, we have simplest form natin. So, i-reduce natin ano ang common nila between sa kanila. So, divide natin by 24. Okay, 24. Equal 24 divide 24, that is 1 over 48 divide 24, that is 2. So, now, ang ating sagot ay 1/2. Is it the same answer? Yung cancellation at saka yung una nating steps. Pareho ba sila ng sagot? Alright, so ibig sabihin, whatever the rules, whatever the steps that you're going to use, sa final, same pa rin ang iyong sagot. Nakuha. Ayan, do you have any questions? Any more clarifications? Okay. Okay, in your assessment, try to answer in your scratch and then leave your answers sa ating comment box. Okay, letter A, we have 8 over 12 times 16 over 20. Letter B, 2 and 6 over 8 times 3 and 3 over 7. Okay, and that's all for today. At sana mayroon kayong napupulot na aral sa ating tutorial for today. Alright, once again, this is your teacher, Jem. See you to my next vlog. Bye-bye. I'm back. Ayan. Kung nakatulong po ito sa inyo, please like this video at mag-comment na rin kayo sa baba. It's me again, Teacher JM. Laging nagsasabi, stay safe, stay home, stay healthy, at mag-aral na mabuti para sa may magandang kinabukasan. See you to my next vlog. God bless and goodbye.